when this love takes a hold of you. It makes you fearless and do the unthinkable. Just by the thought of it, your heart beats faster and you feel alive. Like a force of nature, this love is unstoppable and has the power to break all the rules and set the new ones. It pushes you to the limits. A legacy is not built on promises, but on the challenges you overcome. This spirit has the power to lift you to the stars. If you feel this way, you are not alone. For the love of driving. Introducing IONIQ 5N. N-brand is the technology powerhouse of Hyundai. We push the latest technology to take pure, unfiltered driving fun to a new level. IONIQ 5N ensures the optimal battery temperature for maximized track performance. This is the most advanced Hyundai N ever. IONIQ 5N features powerful dual motors and the 4th generation battery. The reinforced chassis endures extreme track conditions and provides instant steering response. We revolutionized the regenerative braking to create 0.6 G of decelerative force. This industry-leading system creates a synergy with enhanced brakes. As functional feedback and find new ways to carve through the corners with N pedal. You can turn off the sound and enjoy maximum comfort with ECS. But when you're ready for takeoff, different high-performance sounds blasting out from both inside and outside. Your heart will be in sync with the roars and kicks from IONIQ 5N. Enthusiasts out there, we hear you. This is not the end of driving, but a new chapter. Our journey continues with IONIQ 5N. Because at Hyundai N, driving still matters.